So in today's video, I'll show you how to prove bread dough on your Thermomix TM7 with the fermentation mode. You could prove bread dough or any kind of dough, like a pizza dough, in your Thermomix with the fermentation mode. The fermentation mode is typically used for fermenting yogurt or vegetables, for example, for kimchi, but it can also be used to proof bread, dough, or something else. And for that, you'll need to place half a liter of water in the mixing bowl and then align your Varoma dish with a sheet of greased baking paper and put the dough on top. Then close Varoma and place it on the mixing bowl lid, just like it is in my case. As you can see, there it is. And then you can go to the fermentation mode to ferment your to prove your dough. Let's go to the fermentation mode in the mode selection button, then fermentation. And now you should set 1 hour and 70 degrees Celsius. And also it can be proofed with lower temperatures and longer times, like 60 degrees for 2 hours or 50 degrees for 3 hours, depending on what result you want to achieve. Higher temperatures may make the proofed bread a bit like, I would say, dry on the outside. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.